Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best buy waterproof cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is AKASO EK7000 4K 30fps action camera. AKASO is a comparatively smaller and yet a highly popular option for all those who are looking for feature-rich waterproof cameras but do not charge a premium for the same. The AKASO EK7000 waterproof camera is present in the first position of this list since it is the perfect value for money option given in this list. Considering the given price tag, this waterproof camera offers an image resolution of 16 MP. But the best thing about this waterproof camera is that it offers a video resolution of 4K UHD. Number 2. Our second best pick is Agoigo Kids Waterproof Camera Toys. Since not everyone wants a waterproof camera for personal usage but also for their kids and for trying out casually at your home, Agoigo offers exactly the same with a highly affordable price tag. Amigo's waterproof camera is present in the second position of this listicle as this can be the perfect for your kids. Even though this camera is made for basic home usage, it still offers a decent image resolution of 20 MP. Similarly, you also get a video resolution of FHD which is quite decent if not the best out there. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ourlife Kids Waterproof Camera. Ourlife is another brand of waterproof cameras which is quite new and pretty small when compared with others, and it offers highly affordable options for your kids. This Ourlife waterproof camera is present in the third position of this article because it is the most basic option available out there, which makes it perfect for your kids. Since this camera is made for basic use, it only offers an image resolution of 5 MP. Similarly, its video resolution is quite limited to HD. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoPro Hero 9 Black e-commerce packaging waterproof action camera. GoPro is the go-to option when you are talking about rugged cameras, action cameras, and waterproof cameras since it's one of the best all-rounder options out there. The GoPro Hero Black waterproof camera is the perfect option for those who want something straightforward. Starting with its waterproof rating, this waterproof camera is able to take up to 20 MP photos. When combined with its maximum video resolution of 5K UHD, you can always expect great results from it. Even though GoPro does not require an external case, it can still withstand water depths of up to 40 meters, which is quite high for most users out there. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Ricoh WG70 Orange Waterproof Digital Camera. From making film cameras to point-and-shoot cameras, Ricoh now also offers smaller 360-degree cameras and waterproof cameras, which can be a great option for many. Ricoh's WG70 waterproof camera is a great alternative to the Olympus and Panasonic options discussed earlier. This is due to the reason that this waterproof camera also has a large sensor which allows you to take up to 16 MP photos along with 5x optical zoom support. And while it might not be the highest, its given FHD video resolution is still much better than the Panasonic one. For a waterproof camera that supports optical zoom, this camera allows you to submerge it to a depth of 14 meters, which is plenty for the average user. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.